Hi, this is Keshav. I work as a Python trainer here in PySpiders. One of our students, she got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Hi, I am Lakshmi from Gadag, from Tontlara College of Engineering, and completed my in 2025. I joined PySpiders at March in March month, and I learned Python by Keshav sir and SQL by Murli sir, and it was good experience. I learned many things in this institute, and
Mock presentations, how it helps.
mock and presentations are helped me a lot to improve my communication.
Okay, congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.